Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2021 FIAT 500X. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.